What if I told you one misfired cannon shot created the most powerful empire in India? Delhi 1526. Ibrahim Lodi commands a huge army, war elephants armored in steel, tens of thousands of soldiers. He trusts size more than strategy. Across the plain stands Babur, a timid prince from Central Asia, with barely 12,000 men. Babur is outnumbered, but not outsmarted. He brings two things India has rarely seen together: field artillery and mobile fortification. His men lash wooden carts into a zigzag wall. Between them, they thread rawhide ropes so cavalry can slip out, strike, and vanish. Behind the carts, Ottoman-style matchlock gunners and cannons wait. At dawn, Babur fires first. The cannons roar. The sound terrifies Lodi's elephants. One ball slams near the front ranks. The elephants panic, wheel around, and trample their own infantry. Dust screams confusion. Babur orders his horsemen to sweep the flanks. His center holds behind the carts. Lodi dies in the crush fighting on foot. By sunset, the Delhi Sultanate is finished. Babur writes about his guilt and asthma in his memoirs. Yet that single battle of Panipat births the Mughal Empire, whose architecture, taxes, and culture still shape South Asia today.